If you have a popular website or blog, you can sell articles that contain links to your customer's site and publish the articles on your site. This is one easy way to make money. You simply copy and paste the article sent by your customer into a WordPress post and publish the post. This will only take a few minutes. Buyers of articles naturally want the do-follow links in the articles to point to their own site. What are backlinks? They are links that point to your website. Anyone with any knowledge of search engine optimization knows that these backlinks can have a big impact on how high your site ranks in Google's search results for important keywords. A few strong backlinks are better than 1,000 crap links bought from Fiverr, where hardly any of them will ever be indexed by Google. If you have a good and high enough traffic site, for example more than 10,000 visitors per month, you can sell articles through such a site. If you have such a popular site that focuses on gambling, casino games and the like, selling links from such sites is easy, as by far the majority of link buyers want a link to their casino site. Such a site can be a private site or a completely public casino site. If you have a casino gambling or similar site with a lot of visitors, you may not need to do anything to get contact from link buyers. They often find your site. However, your website should clearly and easily display an email address where you can be contacted. Customers usually want to buy one or more articles that contain a link to their own site. The client often acts as a middleman who delivers the finished article for publication. Sometimes, on rare occasions, the client will ask the publisher to write the article. This is easy using a program such as Spin Rewriter, which rewrites the article from what has been copied from the web. Or translating an article from English into another language is easy using the DeepL application. You can sell articles with links directly or also using a service such as Bazoom. You can find links to SpinWriter, DeepL and Bazoom in the description text below this video. Often, in addition to the price, buyers of an article ask for conditions for the article and links. These usually include: are the links do follow? Do you allow links within the following niches: casino, sports betting, gambling, loans and finance, CBD, dating and cryptocurrencies? Are articles permanent? Are articles listed as sponsored? All these questions must be answered yes, except the last one. Articles containing 1 to 3 customer links can be sold for $100 to $200 per copy if it is a permanent article. If the article is sold for a year, the price can be lower, around $70. The price depends largely on how popular and respected your site is in Google's eyes. Any outsider can check these things using online tools. Although article sales are heavily concentrated on casinos and gambling, articles are also bought from other niches. Thanks for watching.